In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. So I'm starting by opening Facebook, and once I'm on the main screen, I'm going to navigate to the Facebook group where I want to post. I'm just heading into that group now. And once the group page opens up, the next thing I'm looking for is the spot that says write something. That's the post box where you normally start creating a post. So I'm going to click on that. Once that opens, I'm going to look around near my name for the option that says post anonymously. It's usually somewhere close to the posting area, so I'm just taking a quick second to find it. And there it is. As soon as I see post anonymously, I'm going to click on it. That switches the post into anonymous mode, which means the post can be shared without showing my name directly on the group post itself. Now that anonymous posting is turned on, I can go ahead and write the post just like I normally would. So I'm clicking into the text area and typing everything I want to say. At this point, the process feels basically the same as making a regular post, except now it's being prepared as an anonymous one. I'm just writing the post as usual, checking that everything looks fine, and making sure I'm happy with what I want to submit to the group. Once that's done, the last step is simple. I'm going to click submit or post, depending on what button shows up on the screen. As soon as I do that, the anonymous post gets submitted to the group. So really the whole thing is pretty straightforward. Once you know where that option is, you open Facebook, go to the group where you want to post, click write something, look for post anonymously near your name, click it, write your post, and then click submit or post. I'm just going through it again while it's still fresh on screen so it's easy to follow. Open Facebook, head to the Facebook group you want, click write something, then find the post anonymously option and turn that on. After that, type your post the same way you normally would, and when everything looks good, click submit or post to finish. So if you're following along on your own screen, just take it one click at a time and you should be good. The main part is simply finding that post anonymously option before you start posting, because once that's turned on, the rest works almost exactly like a normal group post. You just open the group, start a post, switch to anonymous posting, write what you want, and submit it. And that's it. Once you've done those steps, your post will be submitted anonymously in the Facebook group. That's how to post anonymously in a Facebook group.